Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy F41. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to turn on the developer options. So let's begin with that. So firstly, you have to tap on settings section and afterward you have to move to about phone section and afterward software information. And here you have to find build number. Just tap 7 to 8 times until unless it will say you like developer mode has been enabled. Once it will prompt you this particular message on your screen, just go back and now you will see that after about phone section you will see these options, that is developer options. So earlier these were hide. So now if you will be tapping it here, it will show you that developer options has been on. Now in this we'll be discussing 2 or 3 sections which I always recommend to turn it on because this will surely help you in the longer run. So firstly you have to move to debugging section and here you will find USB debugging. Just turn it on. So this will surely be helpful. Let's say if your phone has been soft bricked during the reboot time and you are unable to reboot your phone. So if you have turned on the USB debugging, then you can use few QFill methods and some fastboot modes command or fastboot commands to recover it. Afterward, the next section that we will be going to discuss is drawing section. So let me just move to there. So this is that drawing section and here I'll be discussing 3 different options. One is Windows animation scale, second is transition animation scale, and last one is animator duration scale. So by default, every phone is having scale 1x has been set as a default setting, but I always recommend to set as 0.5x for all these 3 settings. And once you will set this, you will see that whenever you will be going back and forth, your transition duration scale, animation scale has been really fast and it looks like your phone is been behaving very fast. So after these options, so let's say you have been using developer options from a certain while and afterward you thought, can I turn it off? Yes, you can do it. It's a very simple process. Again, just move to developer option and just tap it here, that is turn off. But for now, let me show you one more thing. Like as of now, USB debugging is turned on, and aside to that, we have set those animation scale as 0.5x, 0.5x and 0.5x. As soon as I'll be tapping on turn off option, so developer options related option would be hidden which was showing earlier after about phone section, and even it will also reset all the settings that we have like set while turning it on. So let me again turn it on by moving to software information. So developer mode has been enabled. Now again going here, so developer option has been turned on, but the settings that we have turned on like earlier has been turned off because developer option was toggled, or I would say turned off. And same happens with the drawing section as well. So let me show you there as well. Animation scale 1x, animation scale 1x and animation scale 1x. So using these things you can play with developer option, but I am only suggesting you to play with the ones that I have recommended you as of now, because apart to this, if you will be touching any other option, then I'm not responsible for that and it can have adverse effects afterward, and for that part you might have to reset your phone. So I would recommend just to do what I have mentioned you rather than anything else, until unless if you have information then you can go ahead. So by that way you will be solely responsible and you know that how to revert it. So this was all from my side related to how to turn on the developer options on Samsung Galaxy F41, although this has been applicable for each and every Android phone. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.